Here is my first ever 3D printed sword. It's Dante's Rebellion from Devil May Cry. And obviously, it's a disaster, of course. It's not sanded, primed, then sanded again, obviously. These are all just epoxy glue I used, which I shouldn't have done it this way. It was just to fix the handle that broke off. And just making a sword from 3D print stuff was very different compared to the hidden blades when I started 3D print props. Back in like high school maybe. But the others won't look like this. It's a massive improvement compared to this.